welcome back to the Sand Pond Saga. Let's get started. Last month, I wrote the overcomplicated parser for my new version of the language, which I'm gonna call Space Toad. It's a spatial programming language, and I like toads, so it's called Space Toad. Anyway, so the plan this month was to make the engine read the parsed code and make atoms behave in the correct way. And it was important that I didn't get distracted by anything, but I got distracted. Shadows! I finally got around to updating 3JS, which means I can use some neat newer features, like shadows, for instanced meshes. Blurry Sand! I played around with some post-processing to get a sort of depth of field effect. Super Dropper! You can now change the dropper's size and height, and you can access all its settings in a little menu too. Performance! I realised that the Sandpond engine was getting slowed down by the way it was randomising stuff, so I redid the way it randomises to make it a lot faster. Randomness Modes! I added a couple of different randomisation modes. You can shuffle everything once, shuffle everything continually in a web worker, or keep stuff unshuffled. Touch controls. I added some basic touch controls so I can play around with Sandpond on my phone. Dream Toad. I've been kitting out my parser library to test out some ideas for my hypothetical pipe dream language called Dream Toad, but that has nothing to do with sand. That was a total distraction. We should get back to the plan now. So, next month, I think I might try to bash out the JavaScript generator for the engine, just so I can get it done. It might not be that great, but it can be a decent placeholder for things to come. I've been teaching myself a bit more about WebAssembly and stuff, and I think it might help me to process atoms faster. Or maybe I'll just get distracted again. We will all find out next month, so thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it.